Hey guys, so this is my Christmas room tour for 2018, and it's basically just a room tour, but I have all of my Christmas decorations. And this year I moved some stuff around because I got this huge new Christmas tree from my friend, and it's obviously really big, so I had to move some stuff around. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys what my room looks like around the Christmas time. Okay, so this is my bathroom, and I pretty much just have some like Christmas scents in there. I have this little penguin jingle bell door thing, and then I just have Christmas soaps and all that fun stuff. Okay, so next to my closet, I have my Christmas tree. Now, this is the first year that I've had a Christmas tree like this in my room, and I absolutely love it. I have barely any ornaments for it just because I'm used to having such a small tree, and I have to get some more ornaments for it, but it has a bunch of cool different light patterns, and I really love it. Okay, so next to my Christmas tree, I have my nightstand, and this is pretty much the same every year for Christmas. I have my little joy light up sign with my sparkly white sign, as well as some Christmas fairy lights and some jingle bells, and then I just have my Christmas pillows. I got a new one this year, and it's a llama with presents on it, but I keep it on my bed year round just because it doesn't look super Christmassy. And I also have another pillow that I forgot to get out that's not in this video, so I have one more Christmas pillow that's not in this video. And then I also last year made this Christmas tree ornament garland that I hang up on the wall, and some Christmas sheets as well that are super warm and super soft. Okay, so next to my bed this year I have my mini Christmas tree up as well. It just doesn't have any ornaments on it because I had to put all the ornaments on my big tree, but I love this tree. It's silver and sparkly, and I have my black table moved over a little bit. If you've seen my other room tour videos, it looks a lot different in my room right now just because of Christmas, and I'm deciding if I want to keep it like this or not. But I did move my beanbag, and now I have a little Taylor Swift corner where I added some pictures, and I added my Swiftie pillow, and I'm kind of just in love with this corner, and I think I'm going to keep my beanbag here. So if you guys want a room tour video that's not Christmas edition, maybe for the year 2019, like when 2019 was around, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will do that for you. Okay, so under this window is where I keep my backpack and my school books and my records and all that stuff, at least for right now, since my Christmas tree is up. And yeah, this is pretty much the same all the time. I have my little penguin nightlight and my mirror with my flowers and door decorations that I love, as well as some Christmas stuff on this white shelf. It might be kind of weird, but I do keep my Starbucks cups. I clean them out and keep them because I think the Christmas cups are really cool, and they're always so unique and different from year to year, so I don't really know if that's weird, but I use them as Christmas decorations. So, and then I also just have some Christmas pictures and some frames because I love looking at Christmas pictures. This is my dresser, and I just have some Christmas lights, and then a Christmas sign that I made last year, and then some other Christmas decorations that I just have in my room every year with some candy and all that stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much my room tour. If you guys want a normal room tour, like I said, just let me know. But this is what my room looks like around the Christmas time, and I love it because Christmas is my favorite holiday, and I'm so excited for more holiday videos to come. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next week.